let's start with saying thank you to God Almighty, because I mean He's the one that allowed me to do this video. My ring light has been giving me a lot of problems, but we're using it anyway. But I've gotten the stuff that is giving the problem, so maybe by next week I'm going to be bombarding you guys with videos. I can't hear you, say it again. Thank you. I'm cute today, right? You guys think I forgot how to do my makeup, right? Nah, I'm just, you know, keeping calm for you people. So should I do glossy or matte on my lips? Well, glossy. Glossy is everything, man. So today, guys, I'm going to be, well, let's introduce ourselves, right? My name is Yvonneokeke. In case you guys don't know, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. If you're not new here, I love you so much, like, for always turning up for me. You are amazing. You're an amazing friend. Like, I can't even explain how much I love you. I love you so much. So guys, I'll be doing an unboxing video today. You guys probably must have seen it on my description, and I'm unboxing this. I'm so excited because I actually bought this hair, right, for my birthday. Like, I wanted to wear it on my birthday, but it didn't come. Meanwhile, my birthday is 31st of May, and it's just coming today. Today's date is what? Well, meanwhile, I'm shooting this video on Tuesday. I'm going to upload it on Wednesday. So today's video, I'm getting this package today. It took me a lot of time, lots of stress, because I was angry. I was pained, like, how can I order for something it's taking me like 2 or 3 months, like, even if it's AliExpress. And it's better if it's AliExpress, because I probably must have prepared my mind, like, okay, you're going to get this in three months. But from the description, they said 2 to 3 weeks. But I don't blame them because of this pandemic and all. So, and their customer service, I don't know if it's the owner or the customer service, but she was, you know, I disturbed her a lot. I like, hello, like, you've been with my product for a while, why am I going to get it? Like, why am I not getting my product? And you're not even apologizing. That's the point. She's like, sis, calm down. I just apologize. I'm like, yeah, say it again, I'm angry, though. So yes, the ring light wanted to come back, but God's on my side, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do this sharp so that it doesn't do the shakara. Let me do my shakara first before it comes. So of course you guys already see I'm on my makeup, because I really wanted to look pink on this hair, right? And I think the name of the hair is Teresa. I'll put it here, you know, let me not just show myself. So we're putting it up. This is it, and it's written here, Nappy Culture, yeah, Nappy Culture. I'm going to post it on I'm going to put their Instagram, whatever, here. Let's keep doing it. Well, guys, this is really one of my first unboxing video, because most of the unboxing videos, I don't know, I've never even done unboxing. I'm really not that person. I'll just jump into it and know what it is, and then later come out and be like, but you know, I've never deceived you people. That's why I've never even actually decided to post any of them, right? So this is it. The color that I chose is brown. I first of all chose golden brown, but because I was quite impatient, I couldn't wait for it, because they said it hasn't even come in yet. So I told her to give me brown, because I'm light skin, and brown probably suit me, right? So this is how the packaging is. This is how it looks inside. Like, this is it inside this plastic. I'm opening it. I'm excited. You can see. You can tell, right? Okay, so this is it. Well, before we continue, this is not 100% human hair. It's a hair blend, fiber, and well, I'm a hair freak, and me being a hair freak, that means I don't choose whether it's human hair or 100% natural or fiber. I do whatever I like. Like, if I see this, if I like you, if I have the money, I like it, I buy it. So this is it. From here, I think it's black, or is it? This is black actually that she gave me. Is it brown? What I'm seeing is black though. I'm seeing black though. But let's try it on. So this is what it looks like, right? See the curls. Yeah, it's quite soft. This is what the curls look like. But let's go in back right there, right? So this is the hair. This is actually black. I ordered for brown. I ordered for brown. Why is it always wasting my time? I ordered for brown. This is black, man. Can't you see it's black, right? But whatever. Let us just try. Let us just try and see what it's gonna look like. Well, I mean, I don't want to give a bad review about this because I know that everybody's in frustration. But I ordered for brown. I'm very sure I ordered for brown. I'm certainly sure I ordered for brown. Anyways, let's just put on the wig. Is this a brown or a black? Like, I'm done with black hairs. I have like everything is black. Find out.
You can get some.
Oh, what's that? Okay, so this is the hair. I have to pull it up a little bit. I'm not liking what I'm seeing, man.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Look like Mary Nightingale. Like, I was really hyped about this hair, man. I was really happy. I thought this was gonna make me happy, right? It's fine. I mean, it's only fun because I'm a fine girl. What the fuck? Alright, let's do it like this. How do I look? Like this, right? Man, I don't know if they happen to give you what you asked for, but I actually asked for brown. I can show you my chat with her because she asked me if I wanted. She asked me if I wanted. She asked me if I wanted a black or one color, one B color black, brown, or that was just what she said, or wine. But I said I wanted brown because what I ordered for was golden brown. But look here, like, don't you think I've tried? I've really tried. Like, why is it that you guys are always stressing me? Why is it that you guys are always stressing me, man? I'm tired. Like, I'm tired. Jeez, like, I really didn't want to say this because I thought this was gonna be nice. I thought this hair was gonna be nice, but the fuck, what am I wearing on my head? What am I putting on? This is my fucking money. Did you even see all the makeup I made for this hair? Did you guys see how much I prepared for this video? Did you know how much I tried to put on my ring light?
You can get some.
I'm pissed, disappointed, man, angry, really angry. Fuck. I mean, I'm just fine, but what the fuck is this? I really had so much take as a thought about this hair because I felt like, you know, I have a fringe that is fiber mixed, and I really like it. I will even go and put it on right now. You see how cute I'm looking in it. The fuck is this? What is this? What is this? No, seriously, what is okay, fine, let's say it's a fan. I'm putting on the fan for just a minute. Give me a minute. It's here. Let me rearrange the hair. Maybe I'm not putting it on well, right? Why is this so somehow? Okay, so we have to manage it. We have to make it look fine. But this is what it looks like, guys. This is what my Mary Nightingale hair looks like. Seriously, I'm not happy. I'm sad because I've waited for close to 3 good months to get this hair, and then you're giving me the wrong one. I ordered for brown. No. I want to cry. I want to really cry. I ordered for brown. Why are you guys doing this to me, really? Why are you guys doing this to me? Seriously, don't I deserve to have peace of mind? Because I know everybody's really not in their right sense right now, but that's the reason why you have to keep As in, I mean, be mad all you want to be mad. Like, be mad the way you want to be mad, but don't make me mad. Like, cause I'm already mad. I'm mad already. I'm so disappointed though, but I don't care because I'm definitely going to get my brown back. I'm gonna get my brown back. Trust me, I'm gonna get my brown back. Wakanda for life. I'm gonna get my brown back. I'm gonna get my brown back. I mean, you guys only. So I went back to her and I complained, and she refunded me part of my money. So we're good now. We're really good. But this hair is really not bad. It's not bad, but I'm only angry because I ordered for brown and you guys gave me black. Is this not black? Because I don't want to. I'm trying to, you know, cope I'm trying to manage my anger. I don't want to be getting angry over things that are not necessary. But this is necessary. This is really necessary. But I love the hair though. I love it. Just that it's not brown. I'm gonna flex with it. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. I'm gonna let all of you know that I love it, just that it's not brown. Well, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you on your post notifications so you always know when I post videos. I'm tired of, you know, posting videos and I only get like 400 and something view, 100 and something view. Like, I merit it. You know I do. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please like the video. Please share the video. I love you guys.
You can
Bye.
get some.